Yeah. Start it over. Gotta dance some more.
Okay.
Okay. Go, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Yay! Go again. Wow. Look at you dance! I can't even keep up! Oh my goodness, you're so sweet. Okay, keep going. Dance some more. Woo! Okay, you do it one more time? Very nice. Woo! You're a good dancer, Ivan. Look at you go! Yeah, jump, jump. You gonna turn in a circle? Woo! Can you turn in a circle? Very nice, sweetheart. I don't even know when you got to be such a good dancer. I have never seen anything like this.
I'm dancing.
You are dancing. You're going. Look at you. Woo! That's it. That's some dancing. Yay. One more, one more. Okay. Woo! Is that fun? I think you might be running out. Alright, that's good. Thank you, Ivan. Say yay.
Yay.
Bounce. 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 And we have Ivan bouncing off the walls. Stop to pause to start his toy. Bounce. Be careful. Bounce. Bounce. I think it's funny. He always looks at me while he's running. Bounce. 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 And one more bounce.